So again, you're driving along, you want to send a message. The button here for a couple of seconds. Send message to Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
That's the message sent. Now, you'll see that there's a 1 on the messages here. And if you're like me, and somebody sends you a text and the phone's either in your pocket, you've heard it beep, you're dying to know who it is or what it is. If I click on there, you'll see Barrie there. So once I click on it...
Barrie said just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
It's a great system. I've seen it in other cars.
It says, it's a great system. I've seen it in all the cars. Do you want to change it or send it?
Send, please.
Done.
Now, again, by clicking the messages, you can get it to read it, or you can click the voice activation button for a couple of seconds. Read texts.
Barrie sent a new message. It's a great system. I've seen it in all the cars. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So you can call using the voice activation. You can send texts. If somebody sends you a text, you can get the system to read it, all without taking your hands off the steering wheel.